If you wonder if Redmi A5 does have theft detection, let me quickly show you. As we go into the settings and go for the privacy and security settings, right here this is the place where we will be able to find the theft detection, and somewhere right here, maybe right here in the more security and privacy. And as we take a look at all of these settings, we can't actually find anything about the theft detection or theft protection. And I actually went through all of these settings right here and I couldn't find anything. And additionally, if we take a look and type in theft, there is nothing right here. The same results come with the phrases detection or protection. I additionally also took a look at these Google services right here, and somewhere there I was trying to look for the theft detection and I also couldn't find anything right here. So this basically means, unfortunately, that the Redmi A5 doesn't have the theft detection.